this futuristic little vacuum I just received for my review. This is perfect for the car, but also at home. If you've got, like for me, I've got a studio upstairs in another bedroom, and I'm kind of like, okay, I'm not gonna grab the big vacuum to do these little tedious jobs behind the desk, for example. So that's a perfect location, or a perfect tool for that kind of location. Now, I wanna show you exactly what the canister looks like. So basically, you've got two ways to open this up. I can open it up like this and lash it up, and then boom, it opens up, which is great to just empty it. But if I'm looking to actually change or at least clean the filter, because you're gonna see I've been using it, as you could tell. So if you want to clean the filter, you can do that just like this. I can actually take the inside filter, this one right there, look at that, and all of that is just going to, boop, that's my dog right there. Just go out and leave and basically clean this filter. I can run it underwater. That's no problem whatsoever. I cannot run this one underwater, but I can change this one as well. So, but I think that the fact that they are protected makes it last a little longer, which I think is really cool. So we're gonna put it back on here, and like that, and then go like this, and then lock it in. Now this thing has over 20,000, I think it's 24,000 PAs, which is a lot of suction power. Which brings me to this, this kind of like issue that at first I was not understanding what was going on. See this here, these accessories are not totally locking into place. They're very easy, maybe that's a good thing, obviously it is. They're very easy to just, take out, replace, bring on. So of course, they're not necessarily falling, but they're, again, loosey-loosey. But as soon as you turn on that turbo, it's a completely different story. So I'm gonna hold it up, like just like that. That's normal. And if I press it again, it's going to turn red, and that's turbo. And at this point, this is literally, I can go all over the place right here. I'm gonna show you right now the suction power. I'm gonna use my favorite tool, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna use a little bit of salt over here. I'm hoping you guys can see it. Oh boy, yeah, you can definitely see that salt. We're gonna see how far I can actually suction this. And I'm gonna move this over here. And look at this. Now I'm gonna go turbo. So yeah, this, imagine a carpet in your car, behind the desk, behind the sofa, reaching all these little particles. Zero issue whatsoever, and look at all that salt in here. So, definitely works. I think the biggest advantage on this is not only the suction power, but the size of this little thing. I think it looks really, really cool, but it works even better than it looks. And I love the fact that you do get these accessories, whether it's without any kind of bristles, with a little bit of brush. I love this on a mattress, on couch covers, things like that for my dog's pet hair. And of course, the one that you just saw, this is one of my favorites around the car. And you also are provided with an extender, meaning that you can extend all of these accessories with this little tube to kind of reach harder places that you can't get to. But yeah, this thing, actually pretty awesome.